Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm doing a quick follow-up of this video clip I put out a couple of days ago. You see here that someone filmed a boomerang-shaped UFO and it was in Texas. So the details behind this was it was filmed August 5th, 2024 at night. He said he was out, he saw this bright light, and he took his night visual goggles out, and this is what he filmed here. Now his name is L. Miller, that's all we know. He's not disclosing any more information about this video clip here. Don't know why, because it's actually pretty good, and we need to find out a little bit more about the guy to make sure he's not some kind of CGI artist or anything like that. But anyway, this does look like one of the newspaper clippings that was popular during the Phoenix Lights incident. You guys kind of know a little bit about that. A lot of people saw this, and this particular video clip does resemble that as far as the newspaper article is concerned. And it's pretty interesting once you start looking at this a little bit closer and seeing some of this. It does look boomerang shaped, and it does remind me a lot of that. I did mention that in the other video. If you haven't seen it, I'll try to make sure I put a link below in the description. But here's the newspaper clipping for it, and somebody did kind of a drawing of what they saw or what they thought they saw when this particular craft flew over them. Now, this isn't the first time we've heard of boomerang shaped objects flying in the sky. Here's an article right here. This was in Texas. This was years and years ago. MUFON has got tons of reports on there. I'm not going to say ton. They've got several from what I've seen. We got to know about the Hudson Valley incident where over 7,000 people saw something similar or a boomerang shaped UFO object there. And there's articles on that, not only on MUFON, but there's tons around the internet too where you can find that and get more information with that. So that's something I did a video on a while back with it. And there's several others too. So this is nothing new, and all this information here can be found on the MUFON website. But here's another one that happened in Missouri. Now the image is kind of blurry, but it was taken a while back, but this is the best they can do for that. And there's another one too. So this is not the first time people have seen them. So this was in Colorado, as you guys see there. And that's why I want this guy, L. Miller, Larry, could be anything, to step forward and just give us some more detailed information on this, because we've seen stuff. This is a photo from the early 50s, and some people were saying this was boomerang shaped, and I don't know, but when you kind of play with the image, you can possibly make something out. But sometimes our eyes can play tricks on us, and we can try to make out something more than what it is. This could be just four craft flying in a triangular shaped formation here, but some people say they can see kind of a silhouette of a shape around it because the photo was so old. So don't know what to make of that, but I'm not trying to make a mountain out of molehill, as my grandmother used to say back in the day with that. But there's tons of other videos and photos out there that are showing boomerang shaped objects. Here's another one here, still trying to get all the details on this, and I did kind of try to darken it up, and it does kind of have this boomerang shape to it, but it could be more to the shape of this craft. And then of course we have the ever popular Phoenix Lights. This is a screen capture from the video clip of that. Now this has a lot more lights than the previous photo, and when you try to lighten this up a little bit, this is kind of what you see. So regardless, this is interesting. We're still getting more footage and stuff out there, but I tend to say this looks kind of more like the newspaper article where someone just drew it out than it did the actual video clip from the Phoenix Lights. But I wasn't there to experience it. I only heard eyewitness testimonies. We got a couple of video clips, and that's kind of it. But I wanted to at least let you guys know the update on this, about this guy. Hopefully he comes forward with this, and if I find out something or more information about it, I'll definitely put it out there in the community page and try to do a video update. So anyway, you guys don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with your friends. Stay tuned for the next video. As always, I appreciate you watching.